Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. What is x and why? Or indeed, is that how? Well, we're going to answer both of those questions. Here's the problem. 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 2 to the power of x minus 3 equals 15. Now, this is really a demonstration case because the keen-eyed amongst you will note that 15 is 1 away from 2 to the power of 4. So if we can make this 2 to the power of 4, which we can do very easily by making x equal 3, and we can make this 2 to the power of 0, which is equal to 1, and subtract it, which we can do equally easily by making x equal 3, we get 15. So it's solved in that sense. But not every problem like this looks this simple, or indeed is this simple. So here's how to do it one way. Now, the way that I'm going to do it involves exponentials rather than logarithms. You don't need logarithms to solve this. You can use them, but we're going to use exponentials. So here goes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to concentrate on this side of the equation, and I'm going to rewrite part of it slightly differently. So you can see the part that I've written slightly differently. Negative 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. This is just a different way of expressing the number 1. But we're going to put it to good use. What that means is that I can extract part of this, which I will do, 2 to the power of x minus 3 times 2 to the power of 4. Now, the rules of indices are such that if I multiply this by that and the bases are the same, really all I have to do is add this to that, which is what I'm doing here. So what you see here is a restatement of this. And then I rewrite this as it's always been. Now, what's the benefit of that? Well, watch. I've got a common factor here. 2x minus 3, 2 to the power of x minus 3, times 2 to the power of 4, yet another way of writing this, or this, or this, all the same thing, bear that in mind. Now, what do I have to multiply this by to get that? Minus 1. Okay, so I have completely restated this, or this part of the equation, in this form. Now, I can simplify this as 2 to the power of 4 is 16, minus 1 is 15. That is 15 times 2 to the power of x minus 3, that's a 3. 15 times 2 to the power of x minus 3, so that's 15, that's that, just wrote it round the other way. Now, what does that equal? Well, we've neglected this number here, so let's bring it down. That equals 15. Right. 15 times that equals 15. We're multiplying by 15 on this side. So if we want to remove this, we simply divide each side by 15. And what we get is we get 2x to the 2 to the power of x minus 3, I beg your pardon, equals 15 divided by 15 is 1. Right. 2 to the power of x minus 3 is equal to 1. Now, can we express that as a power of 2? The answer is yes, and this is what allows us to solve this using exponentials, because, again, if the bases are the same, all we have to do is solve this equation here. x minus 3 equals 0. X is equal to 3. That is our answer. This is how you go about getting it, using the exponential method. And it does take us back to where we were here. And as I said at the very beginning, if you've got a keen eye, you will see that there's an easy solution here. That's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to show you the method. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.